Hello everyone, welcome back to Gowri kitchen. Today we are going to see how to make Karnataka famous DONNE biryani. Before going to the video, if you are new to our channel, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Now let's see how to do it. Take 1 kg mutton, wash it thoroughly. First we should marinate the mutton. For that we need 3/4 cup of curd, 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon chili powder and required amount of salt. Mix all the ingredients together and marinate for at least 1 hour. In a kadai, add little gingery oil. To this we are going to add small piece of cinnamon, 3 cardamom, 1 tablespoon pepper and 5 green chilies, 3 big onions roughly chopped. Fry all these ingredients for some time until the onions turn golden brown in color. Let's grind it to a fine paste. In the same pan, take 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 cup coriander leaves and half cup kasturi methi and fry them in the same manner and grind it to a fine paste. Let's take a cooker, add 4 tablespoon ghee. For tempering, add 2 bay leaves, a small piece of cinnamon, a small piece of seaweed, 1 star anise, 4 cloves, a pinch of cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon fennel seeds and 1 teaspoon shahi jeera, 1 green chilli slit to 2 halves and 1 cup big onions thinly sliced. Fry the onions well for 5 to 10 minutes. When the onions turn golden brown, let's add the marinated mutton and fry it until the mutton stock gets released. Now let's add 2 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Along with that, add the onion paste which we had prepared. Next we are going to add coriander and mint leaves paste. Mix it well and cook for some time. After mixing well for some time, add 2 cups of water and let the mutton cook for 15 minutes in medium flame. Now our mutton is perfectly cooked. In the same cooker, I am adding half kg jeeraga samba rice. Mix it well, check the seasoning and close it with a lid. Keep dum for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, open the lid and stir it once. Now our tasty yummy DONNE biryani is ready. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.